Today we're diving into a hot topic that has been making waves in the political arena. Former President Trump's proposal to get rid of taxes on Social Security benefits. The proposal has sparked a lot of debate, as you might imagine. I'll break it all down for you. We'll explore the current taxation system for Social Security, the pros and cons of Trump's proposal, and what it could mean for the future of Social Security. So, here we go. All right, well, before we delve into Trump's proposal, we'll take a quick refresher on how Social Security benefits are currently taxed. Current Social Security benefits are subject to federal income tax if your combined income exceeds certain thresholds. For individuals, the threshold is $25,000, and for married couples filing jointly, it's $32,000. Doesn't seem all that high. If your income exceeds these thresholds, up to 50%, up to half of your benefits may be taxable. And for those with incomes above $34,000, individuals, or $44,000 as a couple, up to 85% of your benefits could be subject to tax. I'll link to my in-depth look how the tax on Social Security benefits is calculated in the description below. The taxes collected from Social Security benefits contribute to the Social Security and Medicare trust funds, helping to sustain those programs. Former President Trump has proposed eliminating federal income taxes on those benefits, on the Social Security benefits. His argument is, it's pretty straightforward. Seniors should not have to pay taxes on the benefits they receive after years of contributing to the system. Yeah, somehow it doesn't feel quite right to me either. We paid those FICA taxes all those years, contributing to the Social Security and Medicare programs, and then when we get something back, we have to pay tax on it too? All right, let's start with the potential benefits of the proposal. Eliminating taxes on Social Security benefits would increase the disposable income for seniors, potentially improving their quality of life. It's especially significant and important for those living on fixed incomes. More disposable income could lead to increased consumer spending, which could stimulate the economy. Seniors might spend more on health care, leisure, and other services, boosting various sectors. And let's hear it for simplicity. Removing the tax could simplify the tax filing process for seniors, reducing the complexity and stress associated with tax season. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. How about removing the disincentive to work? There's likely lots of folks who would love to work, but are afraid the extra income would create a taxable situation for their Social Security, and it just wouldn't be worth it. I don't think anyone should let the tax tail wag the money-making dog, but many folks will just say, screw it, I'm not going to do it, and have my Social Security taxed. Not only would working help their financial life, though, it would enhance their social, mental health, and contribution to society. Staying fit and healthy because you've got to go to work could reduce all sorts of health problems and healthcare costs, individually and for your family as well as nationwide, for the country as a whole. All right, so I'd run the numbers if I was interested in working while taking Social Security and I thought the potential tax was holding me back. Even with no changes, you may find you'll come out way ahead by working, tax or no tax. However, the proposal is not without its detractors and its drawbacks. Here are some of those concerns. Namely, a revenue loss. Eliminating the tax would result in a significant loss of revenue for the Social Security and Medicare trust funds. The nonprofit, nonpartisan Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget says eliminating the tax would reduce revenue by 1.6 to 1.8 trillion with a T, over the next 10 years. And that could accelerate the insolvency of those programs, which are already facing financial challenges. The committee says the Social Security Trust Fund would become insolvent a year earlier than the current projection, so 2032 instead of the year 2033. And that means benefits would have to be cut to match the revenue. So a 25% cut rather than the projected 21% cut. The proposal could disproportionately benefit higher income seniors who pay more in taxes on their Social Security, as they wouldn't have to pay as much. Lower income seniors who already pay little to no tax on their benefits would see less impact. So somehow that's not fair, supposedly? That's a weak one for me. You're already not paying tax? Why begrudge others for paying less tax? While Trump's proposal aims to provide immediate relief to seniors, some experts suggest alternative solutions that could address the issues without jeopardizing the program's solvency, like adjusting income thresholds. Yeah, they're kind of low. One suggestion is to raise the income thresholds for taxing Social Security benefits and index them to inflation. This would reduce the tax burden on middle-income seniors and ensure that fewer beneficiaries are subject to the tax over time. Or broader Social Security reform. Some lawmakers argue that any changes to the taxation of Social Security benefits should be part of a broader reform package aimed at ensuring the long-term sustainability and viability of the program. Trump's proposal to eliminate taxes on Social Security, it's a bold move that could provide immediate financial relief to seniors. However, it also raises significant concerns about the long-term sustainability of Social Security and Medicare. As with any policy proposal, it's important to weigh the short-term benefits against the potential long-term consequences. Or, like most of us do when running our households, when there's less cash coming in, we cut the wasteful spending. How about that, committee? You think our government does any of that? No. All right, so what do you think about Trump's proposal? Do you believe it's the right move, or do you have concerns about its impact on the future of Social Security? Let me know in the comments below. And you could give me a little social media security and like, share, and subscribe. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next episode.